Come, let us prepare, make some good profits today. Absolutely beautiful. Market was very kind to us. Just take a look how beautifully he grabbed the liquidity of that. Remember, I talked about this nested head and showed a pattern. And you see the breakout right here. Literally the first thing I told you to look out for, 927. Once we had that continuation, right? Remember, retest, the cup close, handle. There you go, lift off. Exactly, 927. Now, the question is, how do we maximize our risk reward using structure and the algorithms? Let me show you right now. 949. Once we saw the pink algorithm starting to build liquidity right here, just take a look. It's so beautiful, right? With the 5-day moving average, exactly as it forms once the teal started selling down, and you see how beautifully we started re-grabbing that liquidity. Perfect, penny perfect from the 5-day moving average and the pink algorithm, giving us the first beautiful trade of the day. Absolutely beautiful right there. I had to go off early today, so this was a 70% trade for me, just literally within 15 minutes. Remember, when I talk about 70%, it's about the entire contract value. And I've shown you in the previous video that if you have penny perfect algorithms like this, now I took my calls here. Remember, I took my calls here at about 10:26. Once we had that red candle of that 5-day moving average, and I closed it at the top, near the top here. Now this was a 15 minutes trade, 70%, but in actual fact, because of my very tight stops here, only because you have penny perfect algorithms to guide you on your breakout here, this was actually a 20x, that's 2000% trade. Or because you understood how to be looking out for the algorithms and using structure to reduce your risks and maximize your rewards right there. So even with a small account, you can manage your stop loss. You don't have to be using your entire account as your risks. You understand how to be doing that because of the precision algorithms and seeing how beautifully they form penny perfect right there. So even though we have the general context of what's happening today, right here, most of you will just take calls and allow it to just go down like that. You know how much risk are you undertaking if you're the kind that just takes calls and allow it to just sink 1 point, 2 points for a 0-day to expiry option and allow it to decay before it starts pushing up. You have no idea what you're doing. You're just gambling.